Welcome fellow adventurers and food lovers to the Travel, Tour, and Dine YouTube channel, your ultimate guide to world-class destinations and exquisite dining experiences. Our mission? To whisk you away on a virtual journey, showcasing the best of the best in travel and gastronomy. So, buckle up, as today we travel to the breathtaking islands of Antigua and Barbuda. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have Stingray City, a unique marine adventure. Imagine the thrill of swimming alongside these majestic creatures, feeling the pulse of the ocean as you glide through the water. And what could be a better way to round off this marine escapade than with a delicious meal? Just a stone's throw away, you'll find a charming beachside cafe renowned for its fresh seafood. After an exhilarating day in the water, nothing beats a scrumptious meal by the beach. Our next stop, coming in at number 4, is the historically rich Nelson's Dockyard National Park. This park is a time capsule, a window into the past filled with tales of naval adventures and battles. It's not just about history, though. The park boasts stunning hiking trails that wind their way through lush greenery and offer picturesque views. After a day of exploring, you can't miss the local cuisine at the park's restaurant. The flavors are as vibrant as the history itself. Exploring history works up an appetite, doesn't it? At number 3, we have Betty's Hope, a testament to Antigua's sugar plantation history. This site, once bustling with the production of white gold, now stands as a serene monument to the past. Its twin windmills and ancient machinery whisper tales of bygone days, while the surrounding landscape paints a picture of natural beauty. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find a charming cafe offering sugar-based desserts, a nod to the site's sweet legacy. The sweet history of Betty's Hope is best accompanied by a sweet treat. Our second to last stop is the mesmerizing natural wonder, Devil's Bridge. A marvel born of the sea's relentless power, this limestone arch juts dramatically from Antigua's northeastern coast, offering a stunning spectacle of frothy waves crashing against its rugged surface. As if this natural wonder wasn't captivating enough, imagine dining on the edge of the cliff at a local eatery, feasting your senses on a combination of delicious, local cuisine and breathtaking, panoramic views. Marvel at the beauty of nature while enjoying a meal with a view. And finally, our top pick, the paradise known as Jolly Beach. Imagine soft white sands under your feet, crystal clear waters to cool off in, and an array of water sports to indulge your adventurous side. For those who prefer a more serene experience, a hammock strung between 2 palm trees awaits your afternoon nap. As the sun sets, it's time to head over to the famous beach bar, where a tropical cocktail crafted to perfection awaits. Sun, sand, sea, and a cocktail in hand. What could be better? And there you have it, the top 5 destinations in Antigua and Barbuda that offer both thrilling experiences and delightful dining options. From the stingrays of Stingray City to the sun-kissed sands of Jolly Beach, paired with mouth-watering meals that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. If you enjoyed this journey, show your appreciation by smashing that like button, dropping a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you the best of travel and dining. Until next time, safe travels and happy dining.